The miracle of God. Why atheism is based on a logical fallacy. The inability to disprove the existence of God lies in the fact that it's considered a miracle, whether God exists or not. Therefore, it's impossible to fully comprehend the concept. Atheism, on the other hand, makes the mistake of assuming that they can understand something that is inherently beyond comprehension. The original statement suggests that the problem with atheism is the assumption that it's possible to fully comprehend or understand the concept of God's existence or non-existence. The statement argues that regardless of whether God exists or not, the concept of God is considered a miracle, which means that it's beyond our full comprehension. This is not to say that atheism is necessarily wrong or invalid, but rather that it's based on the assumption that something that is inherently beyond our full comprehension can be understood. This is a fallacy because it assumes that we can fully understand a concept that by definition is beyond our understanding. In other words, the problem with atheism is not that it's necessarily wrong, but that it makes the mistake of assuming that we can fully comprehend something that is beyond comprehension. It's important to note, however, that this argument is based on the assumption that the concept of God is inherently beyond our comprehension. This assumption may not be universally accepted, and some atheists may not accept it either. Furthermore, it's possible to be an atheist without claiming to fully comprehend the concept of God. Then close it out, going over the Dunning-Kruger effect. The term, overconfident, or overestimating, might be a good way to describe a person who thinks they understand something that they don't actually understand. It could also be described as a form of cognitive bias, such as the Dunning-Kruger effect, which refers to a tendency for people to overestimate their abilities or knowledge in a particular area. Other related terms could include ignorant, misinformed, or deluded. However, it's important to use these terms with care and not to make assumptions about someone's understanding without sufficient evidence.